Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to see the different teaching positions and the non-teaching positions from the 5 different colleges, and all these colleges are affiliated to some state government universities. So here the opportunities are there for the UG, PG with UGCNET or without UGCNET, and with PhD or without PhD. So here the assistant professor, associate professor and the professor lecturer vacancies, okay, as well as the non-teaching vacancies also we are going to see. So let us go through the different advertisements from these 5 different type of colleges. Before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam. So from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity, guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, here the first college we are going to see is the Bharat Ratna Indira Gandhi College of Engineering. So there is urgent requirement is there. So it needs the staff for its expansion project starting from 2021 to 22. And the interested candidates can attend a walk-in interview on Wednesday, that is 24th March 2021 at the rate morning 10 o'clock in the college campus itself. And candidates may send his or her resume to the provided mail ID here, ksgbs.bigceo@gmail.com by 22nd March 2021. And candidates should bring all testimonials, Aadhaar card, PAN card details with color photo while attending the interview, and the qualifications as per the ACT norms. Okay, the retired candidates from the profession may also attend the interview. And you may check down the professor, associate and assistant professor in IT, CSC. Specializations in artificial intelligence and data science will be preferred. MCA, MBA, mechanical engineering with robotics and automation as specialization. Okay, so these are the different vacancies are available here, guys. So all the interested candidates may send your resume to this provided mail ID. Okay, and coming to the second college is Sri Datta Institute of Engineering and Science. So let us zoom. It is affiliated to JNTU Hyderabad, and walk-in interview. So college campus, at college campus the walk-in interview held in between morning 10 o'clock to evening 5 o'clock for the following positions: CSC and ECE, EEE and Civil, English and Mathematics. The dates are also mentioned here, 2021 22. So actually tomorrow English and Mathematics walk-in interview is there, and the 23rd for the hostel warden, transport in charge and accountant, and the resident cooks. Okay, the qualification as per the ACT. So for the CSC and EC, EEE and Civil, the walk-in interview date is already done. So the candidates who belongs to English and Maths, okay, nearest to this one, nearest to this college, may go to the walk-in interview, okay, tomorrow. So interested candidates should appear for a written test followed by a lecture demo and a personal interview along with the original degree certificates of qualification, experience and relieving orders, Aadhaar and PAN card, recent photograph, and 2 years of bank statement for salary proof. So for any information, please feel free to contact on the above mentioned email ID and the phone numbers. So here the phone numbers are also provided, okay, and the email ID is also provided here. So please once visit the official website of this Sri Datta Institute of Engineering and Science. Okay, then you will come to the contact details very clearly, and the mail ID is also, because it is looking some blur here. Fine. And coming to the next college is Holy Mary Institute of Technology and Science, UGC Autonomous College it is. Okay, and it is permanently affiliation with the JNTU Hyderabad. Okay, so walk-in interviews on 22nd, 23rd and 24th March, morning 9:30 to afternoon 2 o'clock, with biodata, passport size photo, Aadhaar, PAN card, original certificates, and one set of Xerox copies of original and experience certificates for the following posts: Civil, Mechanical, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, and English. Okay, in the 3 designations, that is Professor, Associate, and Assistant, MBA Principal, Professors, Associate, and Assistant Professor. The walk-in interview is on 22nd March 2021. And coming to the CSE Data Science, AI, ML, Software Engineering, IoT, EC and EEE, 23rd March 2021. Coming to the non-teaching staff, that is Administrative Officers, Finance Officer, Site Engineer, Maintenance Officer, Accounts Officer, Computer Operators, Plumbers, for all the lab technicians for the EC, EEE, mechanical, civil and programmers, 24th March 2021. Okay, so the qualifications and salary as per the ACT norms guys, so you may check down. And coming to the next one, the next college is Delhi College of Arts and Commerce. So here this notification released on 17th March 2021. There is a vacancy only for the political science department, and here online interview will be held for the appointment of assistant professor in the following department as per the University of Delhi rules and guidelines. And the online interview will be held through the Google Meet, that is virtual mode. The vacancies are only 2 as per the unreserved one and EWS one. And the date and time of interview is 24th March 2021 from afternoon 3 o'clock onwards. Okay. So candidates who wish to appear before the selection committee for the said post may fill the Google form latest by Monday 22nd March 2021 by evening 5 o'clock. Only those candidates who fill the Google form will only be interviewed. Okay. The link for the Google form is provided here. So please check down. I will provide this PDF link at the end of the description box of this video. So you may directly click on that link guys. You will be directed to this PDF. Okay. So it is the one more college. And coming to the next college is, it is Eluru College of Engineering. So affiliated to JNTU Kakinada. And here the walk-in interview is on 22nd March 2021. Morning 9:30 onwards. So assistant professor in CSE, EC, English and Physics. And the training and placement officer vacancy is also there. So the interested candidates may mail your resume on or before 21st March 2021 to the careers.ecet@gmail.com. Okay. So total these are the 5 colleges. The different vacancies are there regarding the professor, associate and assistant professor vacancies as well as the non-teaching vacancies too. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. Okay, and for more opportunities, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you, that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide